Alright, so let's begin by looking at how organic compounds are classified. Organic compounds are either hydrocarbons or hydrocarbon derivatives. Hydrocarbons are simply compounds that contain only carbon and hydrogen atoms, and hydrocarbon derivatives, on the other hand, contain carbon and hydrogen and one or more elements. These additional elements can include the halogens like the chlorine, bromine, or iodine. It can also include oxygen, phosphorus, nitrogen, etc. The hydrocarbon organic compounds are further divided into two: the saturated and the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Example of the saturated compound is the alkane, and the unsaturated hydrocarbon is a compound that contains one or more double bonds. Let's talk about the saturated hydrocarbons. First, when you say something is saturated, it generally means there is no more room for something. Imagine you have a box that can hold a maximum of 4 balls. Once all the 4 spaces are occupied, you cannot add any other ball unless you remove one ball in the box. The box is saturated. It has reached its maximum capacity. In the same way, a saturated hydrocarbon contains the maximum number of hydrogen atoms that its atom can hold. For example, looking at methane. Methane is alkane. It's bonded by a single bond to 4 hydrogen atoms. There is no room for more hydrogens. Another example is propane. It has 3 carbon atoms bonded to each other and 8 hydrogen atoms. All the carbons are bonded singly to 4 other atoms. In general, alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. Compounds to which no more hydrogen could be added because they contain the maximum number of hydrogens are called the saturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are not like the saturated hydrocarbons. For example, here is ethane. Because it contains double bond, more hydrogen could be added. Therefore, compounds to which more hydrogens can be added are called unsaturated. When carbon is surrounded by 4 single bonds, it is said to be saturated. But when one or more double bond or triple bonds are present, it is unsaturated. There are 2 categories of saturated hydrocarbons: the acyclic saturated hydrocarbons and the cyclic saturated hydrocarbons. The term acyclic simply means not cyclic. Take notes.
Wow!